Hello everyone. I have made a project according to the description defined in the given by the CryoT. And in this project, all the code of the project is written in the index.js file. And I have created the database in the MongoDB, and all the code is written using the Node.js. And here, XR tank name database is created. Inside that, pitches is created. And first of all, we will understand the code, how it will run. We are creating a connection with the port that is defined in the description 8081, and we are connecting with the database. In that, a collection DB name is XR tank, and we are creating here a schema for storing the pitches. For storing the pitches, this schema is used. First field is entrepreneur, type is string, and it is a required field. And another field is pitch title. It is also a required field, and it will take string data type. And in this way, all the fields are created. And this is a schema for storing the offers of every pitch. And first API here is for storing the data of the pitch into the database. We are taking the data from the request body, and that we are creating a means a object of this data, and we are checking one condition. If equity is greater than 100, then simply we will return status code 400, and otherwise we will save that data in the database and set the status code 201, and then send that id as a response. And apart from that, second API is for making the offer of any pitch. Here we will enter the pitch ID, and then we will write the make offer, and then the request body will be stored as the offer in this pitch ID. And next API, here we are creating the body of a means we are checking some conditions like field will be not empty or data type, and all these conditions are checked. And if data is updated in the database, means for that particular pitch ID, then the status code is set to 201, and otherwise the status code is set to 404. And and after that, we are creating a API for fetching all the pitches, and we are storing all the pitches in the format specified in the project description. And if the pitches is not find in any case in error occurs, then we will send simply error. And apart from that, the status code is set to 200, and we will send. Okay, and then we will fetching then we will fetching the pitch ID, pitch using the pitch ID. Means if we want to fetch particular pitch, then we will enter that pitch ID, and we will get that data. Now we will once see the implementation of this project. First of all, we will say how to create a pitch. Like this, if we want to store any pitch, then we will store it into the database, and see this ID will be assigned. If we want to fetch all the pitches, then we will simply use get and then send, and all the pitches is fetched. And if we want to fetch the data of the particular pitch, then we will send in this way. Then this particular pitch is fetched, and we can also make offer. Like this, we will send the data according to the offer schema. Sorry, for this post we have to use. And this offer will be created for that pitch, and we will again fetch all the pitches, and we will check if the data is updated or not. See, in this way, and all the pitches are fetched in the chronological order, and we will once check if invalid data is stored in the pitch or not. See, if we want to add data, wait, yes, if we want to add data without entering any field, means all the fields are required field. If we not enter any field, then it will throw an error. Or if we if we enter, let us assume that we have entered, but we have specified string data in this field, then also error is thrown. Yes, could not send the request, and we will send the data in the proper format. Then actually the pitch equity is not sorry, yeah, in this way we can yeah, sorry, this is changed. Yes.